How to log out of Snapchat. Wanna log out of Snapchat? Maybe you are switching accounts or just want to protect your privacy? Whatever the reason, I'll show you exactly how to sign out of Snapchat in seconds. First, open the Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile icon at the very top right here. Here tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Now scroll all the way down until you see Logout button. Once you see it, tap on Logout. You can just tap on Not Now and just tap on Logout again. And you're done. You have just logged out of Snapchat. If you want to log in again, simply tap on Login. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly log out of Snapchat on any device. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more social media tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.